Here in the U.S., coronavirus cases continue to spike across the country as the Delta variant fuels new infections. The nation saw a 14% jump in the number of COVID-19 cases caused by the highly contagious strain. On Tuesday alone, more than 1,000 people died. Reuters calculated that at 42 fatalities per hour. Michael George joins us now with the latest. Michael, good morning.
Elaine, good morning. The COVID infection rate is rising in nearly every state. Hospitals, especially in the South, are being pushed to the brink as ICUs are swamped with mostly unvaccinated patients. Intensive care units are in shorter and shorter supply. This one in Tennessee was converted from a cardiac unit, and a new tented field hospital was built alongside the University of Mississippi in Jackson. The cost of treating so many seriously ill patients is high, $42,000 per patient last year, according to a recent review. Health professionals, more and more, aren't holding back on their frustrations.
Today, when we need to be trusted more than ever, people are doubting us, and we need to trust the science behind the vaccine and utilize the only defense that we have.
While the number of vaccinations has increased, more than 1 million on Thursday alone, they aren't going up fast enough in many places.
The situation in Kansas is cause for real concern. Nearly all the people admitted to our ICUs with COVID-related issues are unvaccinated.
An Illinois police department is shut down after every officer tested positive when 23 faculty members called out sick. A Tennessee school called a snow day. Jamisha Dowell, mother of 2, objects.
If we're using the inclement weather days, how's it going to affect, when we really need them? How is one closed day going to suffice for the 14-day quarantine?
In Texas, a state court sided with one county's decision to require masks for students after the governor took a no-mask stand.
It gives us an opportunity to do the right thing when it comes to practicing, protecting our citizens, our families, and our most vulnerable, our children.
Governor Laura Kelly is asking school boards to take action fast.
I urge every school board across Kansas that hasn't already to implement mask requirements in their schools. Until the vaccine is approved for children under 12, masks can prevent students from quarantine, from getting very sick and dying from COVID-19.
And the debate over masks could end up being fought in the courtroom. The Department of Education put 8 states on notice for blocking school mask mandates, warning they could face legal action or cuts in federal funding. Michelle?
Okay, thank you, Michael.